media is constantly called your Godi media, Modi media. There was a time it was Mino media. Those kind of things which
What
are
is Mino?
Sonia Gandhi's. That's what the BJP guys used to say,
okay.
Mino media. So yeah, I know, a little bizarre, but those were the kind of terms which were used then, and now it's Godi media and Modi media and things like that. Do you want to push back, or you just say, I don't care? You say what you want to.
No, it really upsets me because Godi media depends on which side of the table you are sitting. One, right? Plus, this is a very famous thing in our newsroom, which we use very often because we seem to be in that kind of situation where pyaz bhi khaye aur joote bhi khaye, right? So you're in a situation where you are pushing back, right? And people are calling you Godi media. Like, okay, so you're getting bruised as well, and then they're saying like you didn't fight.
Yeah, but
So it's like a
term-
mix of two things happening at the same time. So it's very upsetting.
It's upsetting. Yeah,
Yeah, it is upsetting. But for some people, we're not Godi enough. For some people, we are too Godi. For some people, and a lot of them, we are just right.
Okay, that's nice. That's like a slug line which we'll use. But there's boycotting of channels by politicians, and then you have
And the uninstall. Don't forget the uninstall.
What is that?
So like if you do something that the people don't like, then they'll say uninstall the Aaj Tak app. And then suddenly you will lose, like you had 4 million apps.
Oh, okay.
And then people will uninstall. And suddenly your app downloads will go down to like, a small number.
that matters.
Yeah, it matters.
Advertising. No.
Matters advertising, but also viewership, right? Like, why would you want to lose that? Now, people have done uninstall campaigns earlier.
Okay.
And then, of course, the installs come back. But at that moment in time, right, you just can't see the light at that. You know this because you would have suffered this, right? Social media campaigns or trolling, right? Initially, it really affects you.
Yeah.
Then over time, you realize, okay, it's like 24 hours and it's going to,
Yeah.
you just have to ride it out. So those kind of things do happen, yeah.
Yeah,
problematic.
But the whole thing about Godi media and media not having its own agency, people think now even Western media turns around and says democracy is dying or dead. It could be a part of a campaign, larger campaign to pressurize the Indian government.
It's so much a part of the larger campaign to kind of discredit us. How can you say our democracy doesn't work?
Yeah.
Look at the general elections. Was this the number that anyone was expecting?
Yeah.
Right? Then, the detractors will still detract even from there. Right? And they'll say, oh, it wasn't supposed to be 240, it was supposed to be 200. 40 to extra aise hi aage aap logon ki wajah se. No, this is just rubbish, right? Like, you can keep going on and on about it. But nothing shows you that the democracy in our country is thriving, right? Then the result of the general election.
Yeah. Because
Right.
the surveys showed at that time that it's going to be 3/4 majority.
But then that's exactly it, right? Those same people who
Yeah.
said, okay, why are you doing this for ratings, also said we are going to vote for the BJP and then voted for someone else. It's not as if we were wanting to do surveys which were wrong, right? All polling agencies went out and did their work. Why would they not want to? It's their reputation.
So you don't feel that the media is compromised any less or more as compared to 20 years ago?
No, some media is.
Some media is.
And I think that there is a change in, again, context, right? Earlier on, it was very, at least from what I've understood, but maybe it wasn't that way. People were not aligned. Media was not aligned. It was important to be balanced. But if you see anywhere around the world now, media aligns. Where in America is media not aligned?
Totally.
Right?
Yeah.
It's aligned. They can keep saying, no, we're centered. But when we look at it from the outside, we can see which is
But
Democrat
they
and which
admit
is
it.
Republican.
They make it. They put out an like NYT or WAPO. They would say that we endorse the Democrats more often than not. They
Do
endorse
some of
it.
our channels need to say it?
They-
Like, do they need to say it more? I think they need to say
Yeah.
it less.
That-
So
that
I
they're
think
on.
that that's not a problem. But the thing is, that's accepted. And in fact, very often we go back into the newsroom to discuss, and I've had this discussion with many professors also around the world, media thought leaders. How do they see media as growing? Should media be aligned? It's a real question, right? Why are you not being aligned? Being aligned means what? No headaches? Okay?
Correct.
Better money? Easier life?
Yeah.
No kind of democratic newsrooms where people are ready to kill each other, right? Everyone's like, yeah, we all agree with this, let's go,
Yeah.
right? It's a much harder path. So why do you do it? Because you genuinely believe that is what the purpose of journalism and media is. This is what we truly believe. And I have had this discussion with big tech as well, saying if you truly believe that as well, if that is one of your principles, then why do you propagate the algorithms of hate or algorithms which are radical, right? Anything that is more radical or extreme will be promoted.
Yeah.
So this is what I mean. Like, if you are more extreme right or left, doesn't matter which way, but if you're more extreme, you will get more viewership and more clicks and more money.
Correct.
Right? So this is
Yeah.
just economics.
Yeah.
It is much more profitable to be aligned.
Yeah.
Center it's much harder.
Yeah.
They keep saying, no, eventually it will even out. Like, when eventually? In the long term, we'll all be dead,
We'll all be
right?
dead.
So,
Totally agree with you.
So it is a harder path, but we are on it at the moment.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.